Want to know products from China or want to purchase products from China? Revealing secrets of best products to buy or import from China. Hello guys, this is Alex. Welcome to Decrypt Made in China. For the past few years in China sourcing industry, there is one type of question that I was asked by hundreds of people. What is the best product to import from China? What is the most profitable product to import from China? Not only new importers, but also people who has years of importing experience will ask the same question. I have to say, this question is too big to answer because different people have absolutely different answers according to their work or life experience. Instead of directly telling you what products to buy or import, we will share videos of different products to let you have more choices of decision to purchase and import from China. Decrypt Made in China. Our goal is to open a window for the world to search and know China industry with their products. We will objectively introduce Chinese-made products to our global consumers, introduce the development of China's manufacturing industry to the world through our videos. We will help Chinese tech factories, Chinese manufacturing industries to find their consumers around the world. We will help our consumers around the world can enjoy and learn more about newest products which is made in China. As the best China sourcing platform, we will help you find your factories, get affordable prices, ensure the quality and delivery products to your door. By following and watching our videos, you will find your best product answer. We will keep updating newest and amazing tech product videos every week. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching our video. See you next time.